Now the third measure. Okay. Third measure. Okay. This is a scheme. So the sender have introduced a scheme for special assistance. Scheme for special assistance to states for capital expenditure. Scheme for special assistance. So you have to understand, okay? So earlier one is additional borrowing. Second is GST compensation. Third is improve a special assistance for to improve the state capital expenditure. Now it is saying that during the year, again this is for this particular year, during the year 2020-2021, considering the shortfall in the tax revenue due to the COVID pandemic, the center have launched a scheme, what is called as, they can ask you a question, with reference to scheme for special assistance to state for capital expenditure. Like that they will ask. Okay. So under this scheme, it's very important. Under the scheme, the central will give a interest-free 50-year loan. Under the scheme, what is the help the central will give? For 50-year interest-free loan up to a sum. It's not a big amount. But the key thing is that under the scheme, 12,000 crore will be given to the state, and it is a 50-year interest-free loan. These terms we normally don't come across, but so under the capital expenditure program, under the scheme to improve the state capital expenditure, so this money should be used by the state for what purpose only? Only for capital expenditure. And what is the total amount for all the states? 12,000 crore. And this they have to pay back. See, interest free means they need not to pay any interest. The principal amount they have to pay back in 50-year time period. Out of this 12,000 crore, for northeastern states, including Sikkim, if you include Sikkim, there will be 8 northeastern states. It is saying that for 8 northeastern states, each northeastern state will be given 200 crore. For this actually, the government want to improve capital expenditure in the financial year 2021 in order to start the economic activity. So in this financial year, they have to spend that capital expenditure, and they have to pay back in the 15-year span, 15-year interest-free loan. For each northeastern states, 200 crore. So into 8 rupees 16,000. Out of this 12,000, 1,600 crore will go to the 8 northeastern state. Each northeastern state will get an equal amount of 200 crore. Then this special category states like Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh. Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh will get 900 crore loan, but it will be shared. Shared means 450 to Uttarakhand and 450 to Himachal Pradesh. So out of this 900 crore, 2 states will get 450 crore each. And so then 7,500 crore for remaining states. So 8 northeastern state is gone, 2 hilly state is gone. So then remaining state is 18 states. Okay. So 7,500 crore for remaining state, and how this remaining states will get this amount is based on the 15th Finance Commission recommendation, and already 15th Finance Commission have given the report how much each states will get. And so if you add the amount, how much it will come? 900, 1600, 2500. 2500 plus 7500, it is 10,000 only, 10,000 crore only. Now there is 2,000 crore is balances there. Yes or no? Add it. So it's saying that the remaining 2,000 crore will be given for those states which fulfill at least 3 out of 4 reforms under the Atma Nirbhar Bharat package. So these 4 reforms have become very important for you. So I told you this can be itself a question. What are those 4 reforms? Okay. So in that, one nation, one ration card is very important. Okay. So any state which implement this ease of doing, what are the 4 reforms? Ease of doing business reforms, one nation, one ration card reforms, urban local body reforms and power sector reforms. So the remaining 2000 crore will be given to those states which implement at least 3 of those 4 reforms. So these 4 reforms are very important. Okay. And the loan amount, this is again it is saying that how this amount can be used. This loan amount which each state will receive can be used for new or ongoing capital project. This amount can be used for either new capital project, it's a capital expenditure, or ongoing capital project needing funds. Or it is saying that this money can be used for settling contractors. This amount can be used to settle contractors or suppliers' bill on such project. The contractor who is building that project or supplier who have to send the state have to pay them that money for that capital project, that can be used. So since these I have mentioned in your economic survey, from here also they can ask it. So these are the features of this scheme. See, it's a very important scheme launched by the sender during the COVID-19 pandemic to assist the state, but this scheme is having only one important purpose: to improve the capital expenditure. Already we have discussed that the sender have tried to improve the capital expenditure. Now it is incentivizing the state to improve the capital expenditure. Okay, so this is the third scheme.